Welcome back. In this video, we'll cover what happens when EDI fails and what fundamentals of error handling. The goal is simple: understand the failure types, detect issues earlier, and recover safely without business disruptions. EDI failures typically fall into two big categories: transport failures and translation failures. When they are missed, the impact is real: delayed shipments, chargebacks, and cash flow problems. The goal of error handling is to detect fast, contain the impact, and fix the root cause. This slide separates EDI problems into two layers. On the transport layer, the message may fail to delivery thing, expired AS2 certificate, missing MDNs, SFTP authentication or permission issues, van outage, or API timeouts and rate limits. On the translation layer, the message arrives but can't be processed, wrong delimiters compared to UNA or ISA, missing mandatory segments or elements, invalid data types or lengths, or business rules failures like bad IDs and totals. Classifying the failures by layer is the fastest path to the right fix. Syntax errors are structural problems in the EDI messages. Examples include wrong segment order, missing mandatory values like DTM 137, or invalid length and type rules. The right response is to reject the file, generate a functional acknowledgement like 997-999, or control with clear error codes, and notify the partner with actionable details, ideally with automatic tickets creation. Business errors happen when the message is technically readable, but the data is not acceptable for the business process. This can include unknown item IDs, invalid ship to locations, incorrect totals, or missing references required by the partner. The key is to detect them consistently, apply your agreed policy reject versus accept with warning, and ensure the fix is validated before reprocessing. Acknowledgements are your early warning system. For transport, you have received like AS2 MDNs or API, success response with callbacks. For syntax validation, you have functional acknowledgements like EDFact control or X12, 997, and 999. And for business level outcomes, you may have application responses like APARC or partner specific status messages. The rule is simple: alert when ACKNOWs are late or negative. Monitoring should focus on what breaks operations first. Track message volume and latency by partner and document, error rates by type transport, syntax, business plus, retries, queue backlogs, and dead letter queues. Also monitoring SLA risks, late ISNs, missing invoices, and missing acknowledgements. Good alerting turns EDI from reactive to controlled. Retries are necessary, but they must be safe. Use exponential backoff, cap maximum attempts, and always deduplicate using unique control numbers or IDs. Design processing to be idempotent, or replying a message doesn't create duplicates. And quarantine suspect duplicates for manual review. This slide is your incident playbook. Step 1. Detect the issue throughout alerts. Step 2. Classify IT transport, syntax, or business. Step 3. Contain impact, including pausing flows if needed. Then communicate clearly, fix and validate, and finally perform RCA with prevention actions. Keep on call and escalate paths. Current this is what reduces downtime. Fast resolution depends on traceability. Correlate messages using interchange, group, and control numbers. Preserve raw files and parsed structures for investigation. Log partner IDs, timestamps, and error codes, and expose them in dashboards that support drill down and search. Without this, teams waste time guessing. Prevention reduces incidents dramatically. Build regression packs for shared logic like currency, taxes, and addresses. Use contract tests per partner guide and sample files. Version control maps requires approval for changes, and keep rollback plans ready. And manage certificate and key rotation proactively. This case shows how a late ISN creates real business damage. The symptom: ISN not received, leading to receiving delays and chargebacks. The finding: an expired AS2 certificate, and monitoring that missed MDN failures. The fix: renew certificates and add MDN alerts and retry safely with idempotency keys. Prevention: expiry dashboards and regular drills. Here are the practical next steps. Publish your incident playbook and test it smoothly. Instrument acknowledgements and build dead letter queues with safe idempotent replies. Review KPIs weekly and share RCA summaries with partners. This is how reliability improves over time. In the next video, we will explain EDI in plain English using a simple analogy. It's designed for onboarding and for explaining EDI to non-technical teams while still keeping the process accurate end to end.
Thanks for watching this video. We appreciate you spending time with us. If you enjoyed it, subscribe for more like this. Hit notification bell to never miss updates. Your support helps us create more engaging videos. Subscribe now.